Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is the channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And for this episode, I'm excited to bring you my unboxing of the Nike Air Force One Carhartt work in progress. Let's go. If you guys haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure that you do so because we are in the middle of a giveaway. We are giving away this private label fanny pack as well as Supreme tennis balls courtesy of our sponsor 5 Soles 5. All you have to do is to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, subscribe to 5 Soles 5 on Instagram, and then hit the link down below for the rest of the mechanics. Go! I just finished reviewing this amazingly awesome Air Force One Supreme Comme des Garçons, and you're probably sick of me talking about Air Force Ones now, but guys, please be patient because we have more and more Air Force One reviews coming in the next few days. I think we have like 4 lined up, and today we are actually unboxing another Air Force One. This is the Nike Carhartt work in progress Air Force One. To those who don't know, Carhartt is a US brand that started all the way back in 1890s, if I'm not mistaken, and they initially specialized in outerwear and rugged workwear. Now, over the past few years or decades that went by, eventually a new brand came out or a new line came out which was called Carhartt WIP or work in progress, which is more of their style and fashion lineup. And that's the brand that Nike collaborated with for this Air Force One. Now, there are 3 drops that came out. This is the Air Force One Low. There is the Air Force One Utility, which is yet to hit here in the Philippines. And the third one is the Air Max 95, if I'm not mistaken. And all 3 pairs were brought here in the Philippines, exclusively offered by Commonwealth. Commonwealth, of course, is one of the more well-known sneaker shops and streetwear shops here in the Philippines. Let's get to the unboxing. Before anything, I know I keep saying that this channel will cover tech, so the next video, I promise I will do that. I'm thinking of unboxing this really cool smartphone called the Realme C1. It's one of the most affordable entry-level smartphones that you guys can get here in the Philippines. So guys, watch out for my unboxing and initial impressions of the smartphone in our next video. O yan, may tech na ha. As you guys can see, it comes in your typical Nike Air Force One box. It's a black box with the silver-colored Nike Air Force One logo. If you take a look at the side, of course, you have the rest of the information of the shoe. It just says there, Nike Air Force One 07 PRM WIP in the ale brown colorway, men's size 12. Now, usually when you talk about Air Force Ones, some people actually go down half a size I actually go true to size mainly because I have wide feet, and I just find it to be more comfortable if I go true to size versus going half a size down. Let's get to the unboxing. So let's pop the box open. It has that really nice textured wrapping paper. I'll let the camera hit it so you guys can take a better look. So there is some sort of texture. It's not just a plain wrapping paper. And we now get to the actual sneaker itself, and man, oh man, this is an amazing shoe. Fam, do not sleep on this. I've been seeing it on StockX selling for either under or for retail price. That is just crazy because the quality, the build, the comfort, and the design of this sneaker is just on a whole new level. Easily, guys, one of the best sneakers, in my opinion, to drop this year, 2018. I will be doing a video of what I think are the top 10 sneakers. Watch out for that in the coming days ahead. So let's go over the shoe. For the materials of the shoe, they actually used a lot of materials that Carhartt usually uses for their apparel, especially their outerwear. So let's take a look at what we have here. When it comes to the upper, you have this in some sort of Hamilton brown or ale brown canvas, which makes up majority of the upper of the sneaker. If you take a look at the medial side, it's actually the entirety is in that Hamilton canvas. But if you take a look at the lateral side, it does fade into this corduroy material that you guys see here near the heel part. And that entire stretch, guys, is made out of corduroy, which is also the same material used for this particular pull tab, which also doubles as some sort of fashion accessory because it does have some sort of button over there. AF1 logo is embroidered here at the back over what appears to be some sort of leather or suede material. And then if you take a look at what's inside the sneaker, it has a wool lining which keeps your feet a little bit warmer, especially if you live in, you know, like cooler winter areas. One super nice detail that I love is the way they implemented the swoosh. So this outer part is actually made out of the same Hamilton canvas, but at the back, you see that there's some sort of outline of a secondary swoosh. It is made out of leather, which just gives it a little more character and personality, if you ask me. If you take a look at the branding, on the right sneaker, it has the Carhartt logo on the tongue tab, but on the left sneaker, it has the Nike branding on the tongue tab. So if you take a look at them side by side, this is what it looks like. If you take a look at the back, it just looks amazing with that split between the Hamilton canvas and the corduroy material split down in the middle. While we're here, if you guys take a look at that button, it actually has the Carhartt logo emblazoned on it as well. Now going to the midsole, you have that full air unit encased in this rubber midsole, and then you have the white rubber outsole over here for traction and durability. Guys, what I love about this sneaker is that it is just so easy to wear. It's kind of like the Comme des Garçons Air Force One, like what I mentioned, that it is some sort of like silent fire or quiet hype sneaker, which has the right amount of style and pop and character without drawing too much attention to it that it becomes distracting. It just blends into your overall outfit versus being the screaming part of your entire look. And that's what I love about this sneaker. It's just the right amount of fire, not too burning hot like what a lot of off-whites deliver, the shoes that you guys see at the back. It's just the right amount of pop. And what makes it even more awesome is the price. This one just sells for a little less than 7,000 pesos here in the Philippines, which is not overpriced given the quality and the character of the sneaker. And again, it is a collab. It is not just your typical Nike sneaker, and you get that with an investment of just less than 7,000 pesos. Now, if you are a little more daring and if you want some more pop from the collaboration, there are two other sneakers that you guys might want to consider. The first one is the Air Max 95 Carhartt. So that one has some sort of camo vibe going on with it. Definitely a little bit louder compared to this particular sneaker. That one sells for a little over 8,500 pesos, now available over at Commonwealth. Another sneaker that brings that kind of hype as well is the Air Force One Utility with the strap, also donning the same camo vibe and look as the Air Max 95. So you have options from this particular collection. When it comes to the collection, if you want to go a little bit low-key and a little more subtle, of course you go with this pair. If you want to really ramp up the hype, then you go for the Air Max 95 or the Air Force One Utility, which has that camo look. Yeah guys, that's actually it for this vlog. So if you are looking for a sneaker that delivers style, that delivers quality, that delivers durability, and delivers comfort, excellent cushioning, and great value for money, check out the Air Force One Carhartts. This particular style, I'm giving it a massive thumbs up. Do not sleep on this, especially if you're a fan of brown sneakers, if you are a fan of the Air Force One, and if you're just looking for great quality sneakers altogether. So guys, check them out. They are now available over at Commonwealth. They have branches over at Greenbelt, Rockwell, and SM Aura. So I hope you're all having a great week. Please do check out all my other reviews of the other Air Force Ones that I did unboxings and reviews of. I'll put a link down below to the playlist if you guys want to check it out. That's it for now. Peace, God bless, what's up, boom!